Hi, today we're here to address the competition. We deal in a business that stresses the quality of equipment. There are all sorts of grades of equipment. We try to stay with commercial quality, heavy equipment especially. We hear that the competition, especially the chain competition, is cheaper than we are. Well, there's usually a reason. We have better equipment generally. We have staff that has more experience and is more well trained in the service of the equipment and the demonstrations of the equipment. We have delivery service if that's needed. We try to take care of things as they happen. Incidental dirt and that sort of thing is not charged for. It's part of the use of the equipment. We don't charge damage waiver, we don't charge SMM, we charge rent, tax, and fuel if it's appropriate. We try not to have any hidden fees in our prices so that there's no surprises when you come back. Thank you.